In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the Magic 8 bot activity. For this activity, you will use Python to code your Trashbot to output a random message when it is shaken. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather a computer, a Trashbot, and a micro USB. Step 2. Code. Code your Trashbot to display a random message on its screen when it is shaken. The message should be arbitrarily selected from a list of messages. You can customize these messages on your own. Hint: you will need a function that generates random numbers. Step 3. Test. Test your code. Does it work as expected? Is it too sensitive, not sensitive enough, or just right? Step 4. Refine. Try to identify the bugs, if any, that are preventing your code from working. Brainstorm and code methods to fix them. Step 5. Test again. With your new code, run the same tests as you did in Step 3 and evaluate. What happened to your program? Are the changes you see expected or unexpected? Step 6. Reflect. What challenges did you face in this activity, and how did you overcome them? Is there anything you particularly liked or disliked about this task? For more lessons, visit lessons.trashbots.co.